If we are working on something exciting that you really care about, you don't have to be pushed. The vision pulls you. That is why we are here for the 6-day faculty development program on strategic resilience and organization ability. A very convivial morning to all the dignitaries, guests, and manic professors from various institutions with ecstasy and rapture. Situation may become worse, but our learning should not become worse. So that only our management organized this 60 program during this pandemic. I candidly welcome our chairman, Sir Sengutuvan, for the fifth day of faculty development program. Nothing else can quite substitute for a few well chosen, well timed, sincere words for praise. They are absolutely free and worth a fortune. I welcome Ms. Raghavi, Governing Council member, to this program. The greatest leader is not necessarily the one who does the greatest things. He is the one that gets the people to do the greatest things. Here, I extend my warm welcome to our big wig principal, Dr. Vincent. Welcome, sir. I am delighted to welcome our chief guest, Beezer and Amritman person, Dr. Vimal Gerald, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, St. Joseph College, Trichy. I express my gratified welcome to the heads of various departments and faculty members and other college professors, research scholars, and students. I welcome you all for the fifth day of faculty development program. Don't be a part of the department. Be a head of the department. It's none other than our HOD. I would like to invite Mrs. A. Ramya to introduce about the chief guest.
Thank you, Lakshmi Priya ma'am. Thank you. Technology will never replace great teachers, but technology in the hands of great teachers is transformational. True, with this quote, I welcome today's Technoman transformation teacher, Dr. Vimal Gerald, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, St. Joseph College, Trichy. He is a well-wisher of our college. Already he was inaugurated last year, Fine Arts Club in our college. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for being with us all the time, sir. Thank you. He accomplished his MCA, MPhil, PhD in computer science. He is also qualified with the UGC NET in computer science and application. He added another feather to his crown with the MBA, PGDBI. He has published more than 15 research articles in reputed international journals, which are known and famous Scopus indexed and UGC approved, out of which many are published by IEEE and Springer. He has attended more than 100 national, international seminars, trainings, workshops, webinars, FTPs in India and Nepal. Especially, he has trained more than 5,000 faculty members and students in MHRD, DBT-sponsored online FTPs, online courses, training programs, and workshops organized by various universities and colleges across India. He has contributed book chapter for a spring book on innovations in communication and computing. Also authored a chapter on multimedia in the book Computer Literacy. He has accomplished a UGC minor project titled Design and Development of Integrated Internet of Things Smart Services Environment. He is a member of professional bodies such as ASDF London, INSC Bangalore, IEEE. He is a reviewer of reputed international journals, which includes IEEE Access. Because of his hard work and wide knowledge, he received awards also. He is a proud recipient of Global Award for Best Computer Science Faculty from London ASDF, Best Teacher Award by Institute of Scholars, Bangalore, and also St. Joseph College has honored him Best Teacher Award for the year 2020-21. Also, the Best Researcher Award for the Science is also bestowed upon him on the same year. He also received Best Researcher Award for Science and College Management Award for UGC Minor Project by St. Joseph College. He has also won Best Cultural Coordinator for Aided Colleges for Baz Hassan University. He received Abdul Kalam Award by Social Trust. And also, he has received a 100% attendance award by St. Joseph College. He serves as a consultant for a software company. And for many colleges in designing websites, e-content development, implementing online tools for teaching, learning, evaluation, and also for conduct online FTPs and webinars. He is a multi-talented personality. He believes that the technology can be effectively made use, disseminating knowledge and skills to the students effectively. Apart all from this, he is a best human being. He frequently motivate others to do more. Sure, this man, Dr. Vimal Jaral, will help us to improvise our knowledge on e-content. We are all ready to play technology-based education system. Once again, I welcome you, sir, for the 5th day of faculty development program on e-content development. Welcome you, sir.
Shall I proceed, madam?
Sir,
Shall I
wait,
proceed?
sir, just a minute, sir. Lakshmi Priya, ma'am, you carry on.
Yes, sir. Much obliged. Thank you, ma'am. Successful people do what unsuccessful people are not willing to do. Don't wish it were easier. Wish you were better. I ostentatiously welcome our resource person to share his perceptions with us. Welcome you, sir.
Thank you, Dr. Lakshmi. Respected, am I audible? Am I audible, madam? Can someone tell me?
Yes, sir, it's
Yeah,
audible.
thank you very much. Thank you very much. Honorable Chairman of the great institution, Dr. Mr. Senguttuvan, and the Governing Council member, Mr. Raghavi, the principal of the institution, Dr. Vincent, and the host department of the organizing team of today's event, Dr. Ramya and her team, Professor Dinesh, and all the organizing team members and esteemed participants from various parts of the country. A very good morning to you all. Happy morning. How are you all? I hope all of you are hale and hearty. I'm really very happy and proud and glad that many of you have turned up even on Sunday. All the days are equal now because of the pandemic. Now, Dr. Ramya should give me some more time because she has taken a lot of time, 10 minutes of introducing myself. So she has to give me 10 minutes in my time, what I have planned for. Thank you, Dr. Ramya. And I would like to be grateful to Dr. Vincent, who is my guide and a brother, good brother. Thank you for the wonderful opportunity to talk to the professors connected from all over India, from various parts, from various institutions. Thank you very much. Now, dear professors, see, the pandemic has insisted or has brought a huge transformation in higher education. We have transformed ourselves into normal or the conventional teaching mechanism into ICT-based teaching and learning. UGC has, even just 2-3 days before, UGC has come out with a letter stating that the importance of e-content and the 40% of the regular syllabus. For example, if you have 100% out of 100%, 40% of the syllabus could be obtained by online e-content learning offered by different portals like Swayam, NPTEL, MOOC, and so on. For example, if Alluva College offers BA English, the 40% of the course from a student of Alluva College can be obtained by any e-content program offered by various institutions, various professors. So e-content becomes essential for you and me. We are all in higher education, and it is an essential criteria for getting API score. Not just because of getting API score. These days, the teaching pedagogy has been shifted into modern, and the listening ability of the students has been brought into the concern of video lectures. My dear professors, it becomes mandatory for all of us to develop e-content. But now, to be very frank, very many of us are not, with enough expertise in e-content making. We are all afraid that, sometimes we think that the e-content making is a Herculean task. It is not so. It is not so. Certainly not. But with the available tools, when we think of e-content, definitely people think that, we used to have the tools which are very much complex. Some of us are non-technical people here. So we feel that the e-content is very difficult to make. No, it is very simple. And with the available tool and the tools which we are very much exposed to, can be used to make e-content. Do you agree with me? So I just guarantee you all, I will expose you to the tools which are very simple and which we regularly use to make simple but quality based e-content. We shall make use of this time to expose ourselves. See, I shall plan the presentation in that way, three parts. One is exposure to e-content, theoretically just for about 3 minutes. Then I'll move on to the demonstration directly. I would like to get along with you. This should be a dialogue based. So I request every one of you to please interact with me in the chat. I would love to read the chat. Okay. So you can always interact. Now, let me just hold on. Let me share my screen. Is my screen visible? Is my screen visible? Can you tell me, is my screen visible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Visible, sir.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thank you. So, the host, I request you to spotlight the video. Okay, sir. Spotlight the video so that everybody can see myself. Am I visible to you? Am I visible to you? Yeah, thank you very much. Thank you. Thanks. Thanks. Right. Now, dear professors, this is going to be an exposure of e-content. Now, I'm going to give you the nuances of e-content just for about 3 minutes. Now, the presentation part includes the demonstration on PPT-based video making and screen capture-based video making. And finally, I'll be also touching upon, if time permits, I'm not guaranteeing you. If time permits, I will touch upon, because it's not part of the schedule, but I would like to just give you some gist on OpenShot, which is a free tool. Let me check that whether time permits. Right. Now, when you want to make your e-content, let your e-content be, you need to be prepared. You need to be prepared. See, prepared with the content, prepared with a script, prepared with the idea of e-content. You know, you must have the idea, not that you start involving preparation, then collect all these. No, you should have everything. You should be prepared with the content. You should be prepared with the supporting elements such as audio, video, graphics, animation, and so on. You should plan for everything. You should be prepared, number one. And let your content be precise. Don't dump everything here. Look at this slide. It has got only three pieces of information. Don't dump everything into e-content. See, conventional teaching can never be replaced. Teachers, take it from me, and all of you are sure, conventional teaching can never be replaced. But all these are modern gadgets which enhances our teaching. So let us speak more, and the content in the presentation or slide can be less. And your presentation or e-content should be presentable. Presentable in terms of color, presentable in terms of layout, presentable in terms of look and feel. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Many of you are interacting with me in the chat. I'm reading yours. Thank you very much. See, all these are different elements of e-content: text, audio, video, animation, graphics, narrations, effects. You know everything. I need not explain you. Out of which we are going to use few elements today. Okay, especially narrations and music as well. Thank you. The types of e-content. There are very many types of e-content available. You know, video, for example, text-based e-content. I have supplied materials for today's session, and the principal, the organizing team members will share it with you a little later. Now, the text-based e-content includes PDF or document-based. The e-content that I have supplied is prepared just with document. Okay, even with Word, you can make wonders. You can share your notes in an attracting manner, number one. And number two, animated e-content like PPT. So PPT is an effective media which could be effective, which could be used to the student, reaching out to the students, reaching out the complex concept in a simple manner with an animation. A narrated e-content, same PPT can be used as with narrations, your voice, and easily students can understand. That is narrated e-content. And screen captured e-content. Screen, you know, whatever that goes into the screen. If you're a teacher of technology, if you would like to demonstrate something, you can demonstrate, and that could be recorded and sent as a e-content. That's screen captured e-content. We are going to have an exposure on that too. And video-based e-content, you know, using absolutely video tools. You know, there are different kinds. For example, one good example is talking head video. And Miss Sakti Priya, please stop, scrolling in the screen. Like Professor Sakti Priya, I'm sorry. Yeah. Now, see the talking head videos. Talking, Miss Sakti Priya, Professor Sakti Priya, please do not scroll over there. Yeah, thank you. So talking head video, and there are several types of video. A simple video that you can speak to the student, talking head video. So video based e-content, just with the editing the videos, and gamified e-content. Gamified e-content with true games. There are various mechanisms, there are various website portals to offer gamified e-content. One such is H5P. H5P portal that allows us to create gamified e-content that will create a Kindle interest among the students. And interactive e-content. For example, I have a e-content for 10 minutes. If I can interact with the students. For example, after 3 minutes of video, there may be a question. So whether they have understood the part that is played for the past 3 minutes. Once they get through, the next part of the video will be played. Okay, that's the portal is H5P, and live streamed e-content. Live streamed e-content is a very famous mechanism is YouTube. Through YouTube and various portals, we can live stream our content, and YouTube has become very much prevalent or globally to learn anything in the world. For example, if I don't know cooking, I can get biryani done just with the help of YouTube. So YouTube is a very prevalent portal for live streamed e-content that is available as a repository, a huge repository. Now I request the professors, please do not give your email ID or hello message or hi message or good morning. Please avoid all. If anything relevant to the presentation, you're welcome. I'm very sorry because it disturbs the other participants. If anything relevant, or if you would like to interrupt or something you would like to add, or would you like to know, please interrupt. Otherwise, please stop giving your name, addresses, everything. I hope the organizers will get your attendance at the end. Don't worry. Thank you very much. Now, dear professors, you should take care of these things when you want to make e-content. Even if it is a good stuff, you think that you are giving a better one for the students. Let your e-content be very, very minimum. If it is less than 5 minutes, I'll be very happy. Only then it will reach out to the students. Don't make your e-content too long, too lengthy. An ideal will be for 10 minutes or to the maximum of 15 minutes. Don't go beyond that. Okay. If you have a recorded continuous session, video lectures could be of 30 minutes, not more than that. Please do never go long time. Even if it is a good stuff, students will not have interest to listen to it or watch on your videos. And check your devices. Before you prepare your videos or e-content, you need to check whether your camera is working or mic is working, or the environment without disturbance. And you should have very good ambience. It is better that you should be in a room, separated room, and you are not disturbed environmentally. Breathe well. All of us are good teachers, but when we sit in front of computers or gadgets, we are afraid, and our words do not come out well. So breathe well before you go for recording. And as I told you, have less content when you have recording. Have less content. Okay. Give more information. See, I've got 10 points, but I may talk on this for 10 minutes. So our teaching should be more, and the content should be very less, and the presentable form. Be presentation. Be cool, and take water. So otherwise you will feel thirsty in between, and you will not you will not feel comfortable. Take water, be comfortable, and groom yourself a little bit. Look at, I'm just sitting in front of you because we are giving a lecture. So let us groom ourselves, because our content, e-content, will reach millions of students. So let us groom to a certain extent. I need not tell you because you're all professors. Right, let me move on. So now we are going for PPT based e-content making. Now, before I move on to this, my dear professors, I'm taking to a website. I'm sharing this. Is my screen visible? Can I have your response? Can I have maybe the
yes, sir, yes, sir. Yes, sir, it's visible, sir.
Do you see the Slido website? Do you see
yes, sir. Yes, sir. Join
now, dear participants, I have the link. I have given the link in the chat. Click over there. I have some questions. Click over there. Click over the link. Please click the link. I have given the link in the chat. Please click the link. I would like to just talk to you or understand your level of expertise in e-content making. Now the code that I'm going to give you, you have to enter here. Once after logging into Slido, the code that I am supplying here, that should be entered here, right? See, I just give you the code. This is the code. This is the code. I just give it to you in chat. Yeah, I've supplied the code in chat. Copy it and paste it as it is. Copy it and paste it as it is. I'm going to start the poll. And the first poll is your expertise in e-content. Please read it and answer accordingly. How far are you good at e-content, or you have no exposure, low level exposure, whatever? You just give it. So professors, please follow it with me. Please log into Slido. And just enter this code. Enter this responses at least 100. Yeah, can I have it little faster, please? Could you please make it faster, dear participants? Because I'm given very less time, because within less time I cannot complete all these, but then I would like to give you exposure. I doubt whether I'll be able to provide you hands-on, but still let me make it, no problem, no issues. Ramya ma'am, please interrupt me if my network is unstable. If you are not able to hear me, please stop me. Okay, please.
Yes, sir.
Please
Yes,
bother
sir.
me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay, I shall take it, at least out of 200 and 300 participants, 50, let me take it as sample. Now, okay, medium level exposure you have, and yeah, some are advanced and some are okay, that's fine. Now I move on to the second question. People who are voting still, I'm sorry, I'm moving on to the second question. Okay, let me take it. All of you are in the medium level, right? Fine. Now the next question, I'm just moving on to the next question. Thank you for voting. Next question, dear professors. Yeah, your expertise in PPT using, your exposure in PPT, using PPT. Please stay back. Please stay back in Slido. I'm giving continuous questions. Please stay back. You can just press one of. Again, the medium dominates. Okay, you have the medium level exposure. Very good. If you are advanced, well and good. All the information that I'm going to provide you will be known to you. Yeah, 76. Can I go for the next question? Yeah, I shall take for granted that many of you have medium level of exposure in PowerPoint. I shall move on for the next. Thank you for voting for the second question. And the next question, what is the version that you use? What is the PPT version that you use? What is the PPT version that you use? Can I have your response quickly? Yeah, again, yeah, it is a 2010 is a medium. Again, the medium plays a vital role. Yes, that is right. Okay. Yeah, I get some responses in the chat as well. Thank you very much. Professors, 25% of you out of polled, you're using 2007. I'm very sorry. 2007, you cannot make PPT based videos. Okay, you can give narrations, but you cannot convert your PowerPoints into videos. Okay, you just follow it up, and when the college reopens, you can upgrade your system into 2010 or above. You can make content. Okay, thank you very much. Without wasting time, let me move ahead. For the presentation. Thank you very much, dear professors. I'm stopping here. Thank you for the overwhelming response that you have given. Okay, all of you are almost 50% that you use 2010, and 6% of advanced tools also many are using 2007. I'm sorry, you cannot convert into videos. Okay, no problem. I'm stopping the poll here. I'm switching over to the presentation. Now for the PowerPoint presentation, what should you have? Now, dear professors, please, you should prepare the content. Get ready with the PowerPoint. See, all of you, do you all have, now you have to give me your answers in the chat. You have to give me your answers in the chat. Professors, you have to give me Professor Madhulika. I'm sorry, you need not create account. Don't worry. Okay, you have to get ready with a PPT. See, all of you might have used PPT during the online session during the lockdown. So keep ready with the one content. Okay, one PPT, any PPT. And I'm going to give you narrations. How to narrate, narrate over your e-content presentation. And add music. We are going to add music, and finally, we are going to convert the PPT into video. Okay, am I clear to you? Once again, get ready with your presentation. You have your presentation, no? Yes or no? Have you all, are you all ready with the presentation? Press 1. If you are ready with your presentation, please keep your computer, be ready with the presentation. Press 1. please take your computer ready and be ready with your presentation, with your own presentation. Anything it may be, anything it may be. Yeah, please, I shall wait. Please take it up. I shall wait. Don't worry. So all of you, please get ready with a presentation. Any presentation, even simple slides, any presentation, keep it ready. Okay. So the second step, we are going to narrate it. We are going to record the voice. And third one, we are going to add music. And fourth one, we are going to convert it. Okay. So this is the step. I would like to know, I want all of you to respond because it's going to be hands-on. So I would like to know whether all of you are ready with the system. I would like to know whether, please press 1. Press 1 quickly. If you are ready, I shall give you time. Would you like to have time? So please be ready. If everyone is concentrating, I shall start. If you want me to wait, press 2. If you don't have system, press 3. So let me make it accordingly. If you tell me that I should wait, you press 2. Don't have system. Okay, no problem. Okay, no problem. We understand it, and later you can make use of it. Quickly, yeah, I'm ready. Okay, professors. Okay, many 2 1s. Okay, thank you very much. I shall move on. Okay, I'm wait. Okay, take your time. Take your time. Before which, for others, I would like to reiterate, please be ready with a simple presentation right now. Afterwards, you can prepare your content leisurely with a good one. See, before you prepare, yeah, I will send you, professor. I will send you. See, your e-content should be, your presentation should be elegant because you should make it, you should make it really, you are going to reach out to many. It should be presentable with regard to color and the layout as well. Okay, now I'm moving on. See, I'm taking you all to my presentation. Professors, I'm taking you all to my presentation. Look at here, this is my presentation. I'm going to start my, making it as a video. Now, the first step, I have the content ready. Like you, I have the content ready. I have made this presentation with little animation, right? I have made, I'm not giving you animation here because it takes a lot of time. I'm not going to teach you animation here because it will take very much longer than the expected, right? Now look at here. I'm going to add music. So I will just narrate you with voiceover. So how to add voice, I will just little later. First, without voice, only presentation, but without voice, because this presentation is a self-explanatory. I need not give voiceover, so I would like to just give you an exposure to have just with the music. Okay, all the animation that I've given will be appearing in video just with one click, right? So let me just tell you, go to insert. Please go to insert. Just look at here. I'm going to insert. In 2010, it is media. In 2010, it is directly video. Insert. In your system, it may be media. And click from there, video. Now I'm using 2019. So insert. And you will find somewhere video or media. Click over there. Sorry, audio. I'm sorry, audio. I'm sorry, wrongly said. Audio. See, go to insert menu on the top and click audio on my PC and choose an audio. Choose an audio that you have. See, I have an audio. Make sure, dear professors, when you choose your audio, professors, please make it sure when you choose your audio that should be copy left. That should not have copyright issue. Okay, that should not have copyright issue. I will, professor, Induja, professor, I will repeat, don't worry. Okay, so copyright issue should not be there. I shall recommend you a website called Bensound, where you get copyleft music. Bensound. Okay, in 2010, insert sound. Okay, in sound. Thank you, Dr. Madhulika. Yeah. Now I would like to take up a music. Look at here. I just select a music. Insert. Click here. I've just inserted. I've just inserted the music. Okay. Now see here the volume control is here. I just click over here and adjust the volume. See, I can increase the volume. Are you able to listen to the music? Ramya ma'am, can I tell me, are you able to get the music?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I can reduce.
Yes, sir.
I can reduce. See, I can reduce the music. See, it could be mild. It should not be dominant. It should be mild. So I just reduce the music to milder level and make sure, dear professors, on the top, you have option. When you click this, you have on the top playback. Click over playback. Click over playback. Just click here, playback. And click play in background. Some versions will differ. Don't worry if you are not able to make it, and note it down. Afterwards, the video record session also will be shared with you. So click play in background. So what is the difference what is the difference that you get play in background? See, for example, all the slides, same music will be playing. So I need not fit music into every slide. Am I clear? I just give play in background. Or in 2010 version, play in loop. Play in loop. Hide. There will be an option hide and play in loop. See here, hide during show. See here, hide during show, play in loop. Play across the slides, play in loop. So when you click in advanced version, when you click play in background, automatically this will function. Please make note of it, dear professors. If you are not able to understand all the above, all these things that I've told you, just insert music. That's enough. Just insert a music. What you are telling for 2000, sir, Professor Priya, the version that I'm using is 2019, and you can follow the same procedure what I have done. See, I have added a music. Once again, I shall tell you how to add it. Go to insert and audio. Click over here, and there will be an option audio on my PC. Click over there, and you will be allowed to take up a music from your system. I have few set of music, so I am taking one of them. I choose one and press insert. And after pressing insert, you will have this icon, and here you can adjust the volume. Okay, you can adjust the volume. And on the top, you see playback. Click over here. Some version, this option will not be there. If you don't have, see, make sure you have hide option. Please make sure hide option is there. When you insert audio, menu will add, check in the tab audio. Yes, thank you. And now look at it. Can you please send the application we need to upload? Sir, I couldn't get you. What is that? Can you send the application? What application do you need, Dr. Diana? What application you are asking for? Okay, now click play in background. Click play in background and make sure this is all set. Hide during show, play across the slides, loop until stop. Okay, right. I have done everything. Now I'm going to convert this as a beautiful video. Now look at here. Go to file. Professors, I'm giving you the step. I have given you tutorial. Don't worry. The PDF tutorial will help you all. Now go to file. Professors, please go to file. Please go to file. And for 2010, it will be save and send option. 2010, it is save and send option. 2013 onwards. 2013 onwards. 2007, please, you do not follow it. 2013 onwards, it is export. Export. There is an option export. Okay, do you see that? 2010, it is save and send. 2013 onwards, 2013, 16, 19, and 360. Press export. Press export. Click export. So when you click export, you have all these options. So I request you to click the next second option, create video. Click over here. Create video. Create video. Okay, create option. Don't change any of the parameters. Please never change any of the parameters. I request you to just leave as it is and click create video option. Click create video option. I just click create video option. Shall I repeat once again? Go to file. 2010, it is save and send option. It will be here. Save and send. 2013 version onwards, it is export. Click over here and the menu that gives you a list of menu, out of which you choose the second one, create video. And click here, create video. There is another option, dialog box come note. So you type the file name and the video type. Just press with MP4 format. This is called the MP4 format, right? Just choose one of these. And in 2010, it is only one format, the WME format. Okay, click that, press save, and automatically the video is converting. Okay, the video is converting. That's all. The video is converting. Look at here. It will take some time. It is not just like you're saving your PowerPoint. Okay, it takes some time. So you have to patiently wait until it is created as video. Okay, how do we set the time duration? Don't worry, Professor. Don't worry about the time. See, I told you, Professor Akanshi, I told you, don't worry about the time. Don't set any parameters. Once again, let me make it clear. Go to file, export or save and send. Click over here. Click create video and don't set anything. Don't set time or something like that. Never. No, don't do anything. Okay. So, Professor Madhulika, yeah, let me be slow. Let me be slow. Don't worry. See, I'm repeating the steps again and again. I'm repeating the step again and again. Okay. So you will have to please follow it. If you're not following it one, and I'm repeating again. Right. Now, once again, I shall tell you, go to file, save and send in 2010. And 2013 onwards, it is export. Click over export. And in expert, you have this menu. Out of that, you select the second one, create video. Okay. In 2010 also, you will have the same, create video, and click create video here. Don't give any parameter. Don't set any parameter. By default, it is good quality one. 1080. 1080 is a full HD. Quality video that you will get, right? And click create video. When you click create video, then you will have an option to save. See? When you press, then it will be saved as a video. Okay. Am I clear? Now look at here, the previous one that I have given, it is almost getting ready. It is almost getting ready. It is almost going to get saved. Okay, it is getting ready. Almost it's going to save. Okay. Now look at here, I just made it. I just made it. Let me make it. Yeah, it is filled. Now, how many of you have got it? How many of you are in the process of converting it to video? Okay, let me play this. It is converted. Now I have saved it in the folder. Saved it in the folder. So telling about the options of different PPT version. We need to follow only about our version. So don't confuse. Professors, please understand, you are worried about your own version. So I have to concentrate on all the people who have a different version. Am I clear? Professor Jayasri, have I made you clear? So I have to concentrate on all. I see you are concentrating only your version. I have to concentrate. I have to give information for all these people with different versions. So a trainer should reach out to everyone. I'm sorry. Thank you. Right now, see here it is converted. Very good. Look at here, dear professors. Go to see. I have it in the. I have see. Very good. Very good. Some of you have converted. Now look at here. Converting it. Wait. Yeah. Now look at here. I've done it. Now in Vallava College, see, I've got ready with the video. I just play this video. The music that we have added, I'm just playing the video. I'm just playing the video. Can I add? Yeah. You can record. You can record the music. Yeah. Ben sound also. Professors, do you get the sound? Yeah. Yeah. 1 minute. I'm stopping it here. Yeah. 1 minute. Look at there. Okay. No problem. See, I just played it. I'll just repeat the step. Don't worry. I'll just repeat the step. Look at here. Now I have added all the animation. See, all the animation appear in video. This is not PowerPoint. It's a video. Look at here. It is a video. Professors, it's a video. Look at there. It is a video. Okay. It is a video slide, right? Now it is a video playing with full quality. Okay. Without voice, without narration, but only with music. See here, I get the music. Do you get the music? Do you get the music now? Professors, do you get the music? Yeah. See, mild music with all these. See here, one by one it goes. See, this process is playing PowerPoint only with music. Am I clear? Only with music, right? See all the animation that you get. See, simple, mild music with animations. Okay, right. I just stop it here. I just stop this here. I have stopped the video. This is video. Professor, this is not PowerPoint. This is video. I just close it. Now, I would like to give you one more just demonstration. 1 minute. I shall just hold on. One more demonstration on the same. Yeah. Look at here. I just would like to have a presentation, a simple presentation. Look at here. I just have a simple 3 slides, simply 3 slides. That's all. Simply 3 slides. I've got one slide. See, 2 slide. I'm delete 1 minute. Just look at here. I just got 3 slides just prepared in 1 minute, right? So you can do it. Now look at here. I've got 3 slides. Now I'm going to make this as a simple video. Okay, 3 slides. That's all. A simple video. Shall I make it? It's very simple. I'm going to make it as a video, right? Now look at there. I'm repeating the step. I would like to add music. So go to insert. And audio. Click over audio. Click on audio on my PC or recorded audio also you can take. I will come back for record. I would like to take up a music. Okay, I've inserted a music. Now look at here. After inserting music, you will have the sound. See, you can increase the sound or decrease the sound. You can make it as you like. So you can increase the sound or you can decrease the sound, right? You can make it. I would like to repeat once again. Professors, I would like to repeat. Go to the first slide. And go to insert. Go to audio or sound. Go to audio or sound. Dr. Rajendran, you are just annotating in the slide, please. Yeah. Look at there, audio on my PC. Dr. Rajendran, please. Dr. Rajendran, you are annotating. Dr. Rajendran, you are annotating. We are teachers. We are not supposed to. Dr. Rajendran, sorry. Thank you. Now look at here. Just take it up. See, I have taken an audio. Look at there. I can play this and Dr. Rajendran playing again and again. Dr. Rajendran, host, please make it. Look at there. I think he is trying to say something. Dr. Rajendran, if you want to say something, Dr. Rajendran, if you are, please unmute him. Please unmute Dr. Rajendran. Please unmute him. Please unmute Dr. Rajendran so that he can talk to me directly. No problem. I think Dr. Rajendran is trying to give us something. Dr. Rajendran? Yeah. No. Okay. Now look at here. I've just added music. 1 minute. I stop sharing and once again let me check it. See, we should not interrupt process. We are all professors. We should not get interrupted in between, right? Now look at your process. Is my presentation visible? Is my presentation visible? I have shared it again. Professors, can I have your response? Is my presentation visible?
So no, sir. Yes, it's visible now.
Shall I have? May I request the host to take control over? Okay, because we should not waste time because every minute is a quality time, right? Okay, now okay. I have added the music. Now look at here. The music can be played and you can check it. See, I can play and check music whether you like it or not. See, I can reduce it. See, I have reduced it. I have reduced the sound and I just press stop. One of the mics is on. The host, please take control over. One of the mic is on. It is repeating. Yeah, I just stop it. So I have added a music. Now I want to have it played all over the slide, all the slides. So what should I do? Go on the top. Only when we select this is available. Go to playback and click over here. Just click over here, dear professors. Click over here and play in background. Click play in background. Click play in background. Okay, you can click play in background. Am I clear? Now I have made it. That's all. This is the parameter. Now I'm going to convert this as a video. Now what do we do? Go to file and press save and send in 2010 and in 2013 and above it is expert. Please expert. Press expert. And in the menu you have got create video option. Click over create video. And there is another option to click is create video. Don't worry about these parameters because by default it is quality high definition video. Okay. Now click create video and enter your name. I would like to save it in desktop in Vallur College folder. See here, I've got one video here. Now I would like to have corona awareness video. I just save. Now I have pressed save. Now see here, it is being converted. Look at the bottom. Look at the bottom of your slide. It is getting converted. See, number of slide is very less. So quickly within no time, it will get converted. I will just show you the video. Then I will move on to the procedure of adding your voice. Okay. Just with voice narration. So it is getting converted. Once it is converted, I'll just show it is sorry, Dr. Vijayan. 2007 it is not possible. For that, I have another screen capturing. I'll come back to you. Don't worry. Vijay Ravan sir, don't worry. Next tool is on for you. Okay, next tool is for you. Don't worry, sir. Now it is converted. Look at here, it is converted. Now I go back. To the desktop. In desktop, I have it in Vallur College. It is here. See here, there are videos. See corona awareness video. After save and send, press export. Press export, madam. Or create video. Madam Amora, madam. Please press create video option. And just follow whatever that I have said. Okay, create video. And again press create video. Okay. Yeah. Now look at here. I'm just going to play this corona video. Some simple tree.
COVID awareness.
is given by Dr. A. Vimal. I have added my narration, but I tell you how to add narration. Simple video, no? Simple video with PowerPoint. We are able to make a presentation. We are able to make it as a video. Okay. Have you got it? How many of you have got it? Go with awareness. How many of you have got it? Professors, how many of you got it? Press 1 if you have got it. If it is still converting, no problem. If you have got the idea, please press 1. I want you to just have an exposure. You can make it little later. Yeah. Just have an exposure. Yeah. Thank you. So I would like to repeat. Don't worry. I will repeat all the process again. Now we are going to have addition of narration. Okay. I'm going to add narration. Shall I go adding narration? Yes. I would like to add narration. Yeah. Thank you, professors. Now I would like to add narrations. Now I go back to presentation. See here, I'm here in the presentation. I delete it. Now I go back to my presentation here. I would like to add narrations. Now how do I add narrations? Look at here, dear professors. I would like to make it fast. Professor, I would like to make it fast. So please, I'm sorry. Narration will be fast. I may not be professional because I'm just showing you a demo. Right. All of you, please, to add narration, to voiceover, to give voiceover, please click slideshow. Please click slideshow. Thank you for the compliments. Thank you. Please click slideshow. All of you, please click slideshow on the top. 2010 or whatever. Even in 2007, you can do this. See, up to narrations, you can do this. Up to narrations, you can do this. Yes, Dr. Uma. Don't worry, Dr. Uma. Please click slideshow. Click slideshow. I have clicked slideshow. Professor, please click slideshow. Do you see record slideshow? Record show or narration? Record show or narration? Okay, record slideshow. Click over there. Or narration. In 2010, it is narration, a record narration or something. Some word will be there. Yeah. Narration. Yeah. Slideshow. Thank you, Dr. Madhulika. Yeah, you are helping me. 2010, it is slideshow and narration. Yeah, record slideshow. Yes, record slideshow. Right. Record slideshow. Click over there or narration. Click over that narration and select record from the beginning. Please select record from the beginning. Please select record from the beginning. You know, for me, I am using 2019. So this screen will come. See, this screen will come. But when you press record, it automatically takes record directly for recording. So you can go for narrating. Go talk one by one. Have control over your slide. So you can press next slide, and you can speak continuously. Right now in 2000, Vijayaraman sir, in 2007 also same. Go on the top, record show, say slideshow option, narration, there will be a record narration. There will be option record narration. There will be option record narration. Yeah, record narration. Click over there. Click over record narration. Click over record narration and then begin. Click narration. Then you can start. In advanced version, you have this tool. See, I can control the recording. Now I'm going to start recording. Click over and start recording. Yeah, I just click over record and start. I'm starting. Yeah, I'm going to start the recording. Please, professors, I just keep the mic closer. Okay, I just keep the mic closer. Okay, I'm just going to start. Okay, I will just do it little faster. Yeah, it is in slideshow. Yes, professor. I just start recording. See, for example, when I would like to pass, there are two options. I can press escape to stop. See, in 2010-7, escape to pass. Here, there is a stop button, but in 2009 and 10, 2007-10, escape, press escape key to stop your recording. Okay. And here, I would like to just start my recording. Yeah. Professor Tamilwani, I will answer you little later. Security alert. Yeah, don't worry. Because your version may be pirated one. That's why you may have this problem. Yeah. Right now, I would like to start. See, two things I've told you. If you want to pass, for example, I would like to take some water. In between, you can take. In between, you can take. Okay. Shortcut key is escape. Press escape. Dr. Madhulika, it is escape. So I'm going to start my narration. See, countdown begins. A very good morning to you all. Vallua College presents you the strategic resilience and organization. The today's presentation is on e-content development by Dr. Vimal Jura. The plan for the session is to make PPT video content, screen capturing e-content, and open shot video making. Let your content be prepared, precise, presentable. The elements of e-contents are text, audio, video, images, graphics, narrations, animation, effects. The types of e-contents are text-based e-content, animated e-content, video-based e-content, gamified e-content, screen captured, and live streamed e-content. Take care of the above. Let your content be less, be comfortable, good ambience, take water, breathe well, groom yourself. Now let us see PPT-based e-content. For PPT-based e-content, follow these steps. Step number 1, get ready with your content. Step number 2, record the narration. Step number 3, add music if you want. And fourth step is to convert your PowerPoint into video. These are the simple steps of video making. And now screen capture tools, the video conversion takes place in the following manner. Get ready with the content or demonstration. Record the screen with narrations. Edit the capture. Convert your videos into presentation. Convert your presentation into videos. Let us explore the listed. Thank you very much. So now, professors, I have completed my narration. So what should I do? See, if I want to pause in between, I would like to take some water. So what can I do? I can pause here. Or if I want to permanently stop, stop. Okay. In 2010 older version, it is escape. Just press escape. Now what do? I just click close. I just click close. I just click close. Professors who are using 2007, I told the organizers, inform you already to 2010. Only in 2010 you can have this conversion possible. I'm sorry if you have 2007. Second option, screen capturing will help you. Don't worry. Okay, sir. Don't worry, sir, right now. So I just close it. My narration has been recorded. My narration has been added. Okay, my narration has added. I would like to add mild music. So again, what should I do? Narration is added in every slide. Look at here. Narration is added in every slide. Every slide you see the narration. See here, you see the narration in every slide. You can increase the volume. If you want, you can increase the volume of narration. Now I would like to add music, mild music. Go to insert, audio, same procedure, audio. And I would like to slowly increase. See, I just got this. I add music, mild music, slowly. Go on the playback. See, go on the top after selecting. Just click play in the background. So everything is set. Again, the same procedure. Now to convert video, I'm just repeating the step. Go to file. Go to file. 2010 it is save and send, and 2013 onwards is export. After pressing save and send and export, you will have this option. There, click create video. Click create video. So I have clicked create video here, and don't change any parameter here. And click create video. When you click create video, automatically see here narration, video. See video with narration. Video with narrations. Okay, I've done it. I save it. This will take little time because I have taken long time to narrate it. No, this will take time. So look at there at the bottom. It is getting converted. Look at there at the bottom here. It is getting converted. So after some time, it will be converted. Okay, professors. After some time, you will have to patiently wait. So with the simple PowerPoint, with simple animation, you'll be able to make a beautiful PowerPoint in HD quality, for which you need to have at least 2010, MS Office 2010. Okay, professors, this is the first part. Okay, second part. Have you got it, dear professor? Shall we move on to the second part? Before I play the video that I made, I'll just play it and we'll move on for the next. I've got only half an hour. I'll have to cover 2 tools. Okay, shall I go? If yes, press 1. Shall I go on? Press 1. Press 1. No, you need not type sure and this. It will take time. No, press 1. That is enough. Thank you very much. Thank you, professors. You are so great. So great. All of you are very much interactive. You are all model teachers. Very much interacting. Yeah, it is getting converted. How to export in Dr. Madhulika? It is the same. I told you, no, go press save and send. Same procedure. There will be option create video. There will be option create video. Click over there and click again create video. The same procedure. Okay, procedure is the same. What I have showed you. What I have shown you. Yeah, the video is getting converted. Dear professors, I would like to just record. Yeah, sir, 2007 version, please. Dr. Vijay, I told you, professor, you cannot make it as a video in 2007. I have told the organizers, and the organizers also have reminded you to have 2010. I'm sorry, right now Don't worry, Professor. 2007. I will. You can make it in the next version. I'm going to tell you. Okay. There is no save and send. No. There will be save and send, Professor. Yes. One of the organizers. Can I have the organizers? One of you to please. One of you, the organizers. Can anyone share with me 2010? Organizers, can anyone share 2010 PowerPoint version? I can demonstrate a little bit so that it will be useful. Can anyone, organizers, do any of you are ready with the 2010 version PowerPoint? Organizers, can I have your response? One of you, host, can I have your response? Or any volunteer?
2019, sir.
Madam?
We have 2019 version, sir.
Okay, sir. No problem. Those who have any volunteer who have 2010 to present, any volunteer kindly. Yeah. Before I just take the volunteer, because I would like to show you 2010 out. So if somebody can show it, then I can just tell you the methodology there also. Professor, 2007, professors, please understand. 2010, you cannot make it as video. Please understand. You are asking again and again. I'm very sorry. Don't worry. I will tell you the next mechanism. Next mechanism is for you. Don't worry. Okay. Right now, I just play the video that we have made. Now it is here. Look at here. The video that we have made is video with narration. See, I just click over. I just open it and show you. Video that we have done. Dr. Madhulika, could you please display? Dr. Madhulika, could you please share your screen? Can I have your help?
Very good morning to you all. Vallua College.
Professors, do you get the video? See the audio of
the today's
audio. Do you get the video and audio together?
By Dr. Vimal Jara.
See, this
the
is the video
plan
that
for
we
the
have made.
session is to make PPT video content, screen capturing e-content,
Professors, can I have your response? Do you get the video
and
sound
open
and
short video making.
see the quality of the video?
Sir. Yes, sir.
Let your content be prepared,
Thank you.
precise,
Yes,
thinkable.
sir.
See the video with the voice and music.
The elements of e-contents are text, audio, video, images, graphics, narrations, animation, effects. The types of e-contents are text
I have
based
not
e-content,
narrated
animated
it
e-content,
professionally.
video-based
You
e-content,
take
gamified
time and
e-content,
narrate it
screen
professionally.
captured and live streamed
Okay.
e-content. Take care of the above.
So I stop
Let
it
your
here.
content be less.
I just
be
stop it
comfortable,
here.
Good
I
ambience.
just stop
take
it here. I
water,
just
breathe
stop,
well,
close the
room
video.
yes.
Yeah, volume adjustment is there. Yeah, you can adjust. Now, any volunteer to share? Dr. Madhulika, can you share your 2010 PPT? I shall tell for others. Can you share? Dr. Madhulika, can I have your response? I one of you, one of the volunteer. Yeah. One of the volunteer? Okay, no volunteer. So I'm sorry, I cannot show you. If anybody is volunteering, I can show you. Right now, I don't have, not able to share. Sir, host, please allow Dr. Madhulika to share.
Sir, I will share the permission, sir.
Yeah, please. Dr. Madhulika, please share it now. Yeah, Dr. Madhulika, now share. Because we are running short of time. I have to show you with the other two tools also, please. Dr. Madhulika, please share it. Dr. Chellapandian, mine is 2019. I use 2019. Dr. Madhulika, are you sharing? If not, we shall not waste time. Dr. Madhulika, can I have your response? Not able to share. Again, she is telling not able to share. Dr. Madhulika, you are given permission.
Sir, your sharing is stopped and then she will share the screen, sir.
Sir, I have stopped it, sir. I have stopped it, no?
Okay,
I have
okay.
stopped it, sir. I have stopped it.
Network issue.
Okay,
So she
okay,
conveyed network issue.
Okay, Professor. Then please follow it, Professor. Please follow it, Professor. Go to File, Save and Send, and there, when you click there, you will have an option, Create Video. Click over there, and there is another option, Create Video. Thank you very much. I shall move on. The principal has given me permission to go further because I love to explore further tools. Now, professors, we are moving on to the second tool. That is screen capturing. Screen capturing is the best mechanism for demonstration videos. Okay, demonstration videos. For example, 2007 professors who used 2007 wanted me to just give them a presentation, right? I shall give you. Now look at your professors. I'm going to give you an exposure on screen capturing tool. Tool number one is
Tool number 1 is Screencast-O-Matic. Professors, please understand it is Screencast-O-Matic. I'm going to tell you it is going to be Screencast-O-Matic. Okay, all right. I would like to use the same presentation. Look at here. I would like to use the same presentation. The PowerPoint is visible here. Look at there. Same presentation I am using. Okay, I'm going to record it. So for recording, keep it in full screen. Keep it in full screen. Keep it in full screen. See, I've got the
Very
PowerPoint
good morning
in full
to you
screen.
all.
I'm sorry. I would like to remove all the narrations. So I just would like to remove all the narrations. So I have removed all the narrations. I would like to just open it fresh. I just open it fresh. 1 minute, dear professors. I've got this PowerPoint. Now 2010 version as a 2007 professors. Now I'm going to give you, it will be very much beneficial to you. See, this is screen capturing mechanism, right? Right. Now keep it in full screen. Keep it in full screen. Now go to a browser. Go to a browser. Go to a browser. Right. I've gone to a browser, probably Google Chrome, and type. See, go to Google and type Screencast-O-Matic. I will also give you the link. I will give you the link in the chat. Screencast-O-Matic. Screencast-O-Matic. Just type Screencast-O-Matic. I'll give you the link, professors. Don't worry. I'll give you the link. Now the first link that you get is this. I have given you the link. I have given you the link, and this is the link for the tool that I've talked about. Screencast-O-Matic. This is the link. Screencast-O-Matic. Okay, this is the link. Right? Click over there. Have you clicked it? Press 1. If yes, press 1 quickly. Just click the link that I've given in the chat. Professors, please follow it with me. Please click the link quickly. Have you done it? Yeah. Yeah. Thank you. Please click the link and get ready. Yeah. So once after getting the screen, press record. Once again, I shall share the screen. Share the link with you. Get it and record for free. Click record for free. Click record for free. Click record for free. You get this screen. When you get this screen, look at your professors. When you get the screen, you will have this 2 options. See, this version is of course internet-based, online-based video recorder. Online-based video recorder. It is not Windows-based. Online-based. So for that, you will have to have internet connection and click here. It is not completely free, but still you can use it all through the year up to 15 minutes. Up to 15 minutes recording, you can create it all through the year. Okay, up to 15 minutes. Now I click over here. I click over here, launch free recorder. Launch free recorder. All of you, all those who use any version of, irrespective of any version of PowerPoint, you can make use of this. Click here, launch free recorder. Click launch free recorder. When I click here, automatically a link, a download will be there. A download will be initiated. And just click, double click the download. You will have the launcher. You will get like this. See here, you will get like this. You will get like this. Click over open Screencast-O-Matic launcher. Click there. Professors, once again, I shall repeat. I just click here, launch free recorder. Click here. Okay. So you will get the download automatically because I have it already done. So this screen will come. So click over here, open Screencast-O-Matic launcher. I have clicked it. I have clicked it, dear professors. And the launcher has come. Look at here. The launcher has come. The launcher has come. I am waiting for the launcher to appear in my screen. You look at here. See, this is the launcher. Professors, this is a simple tool, small tool. Do you see that? Do you see that? Small red color now. Press 1 if you see that. Press 1 if you get it. Professors, press 1 if you get it. Yeah. Now look at here. The launcher is here. The launcher is here. I have the launcher here. Look at there. The launcher is here. So what do? I would like to go for settings now. I would like to go for settings now. How do I set it? Go here to settings. Look at here. Settings. Settings is here. I just click over here. You can move, adjust anywhere. You can keep anywhere here. Now here at the back, I have the PowerPoint also ready. I have my PowerPoint ready. I want to record my PowerPoint. See, professors worried about 2007 users, worried about, they couldn't make videos. Now using this tool, you can make your PowerPoint into video. Right. Now I got this. Before I go on, I just click settings. Click over settings. When I click over settings, these are the settings that you must remember. The first one is screen recording. The entire screen will be recorded. Okay, the entire screen. Your computer screen or laptop screen will be recorded. This is for only screen recording. Okay, full screen recording. and the size can be fixed. Look at here, the size. Click here and you can reduce the size. See here, you can adjust it. See the line that comes no. So you can adjust the lines. You can fix how much you want to record, what portion of the screen that you want to record. Okay. So if you don't want to record the partial screen, you can record the full screen. You can record the full screen. So what should you do? You just click over here and press size and click full screen. Keep it as full screen. So the entire screen will be recorded. Okay, process? The entire screen will be recorded. Right now, the second option, only webcam alone. I can record only my face. Yeah, Vijay, sir, I just repeat. Look at here, professor. See, this is the knob, no? This is the knob. I just click over here. You get three options. Number one, screen. And there you define the portion of the screen to be recorded. Your portion of the screen. Okay. And second one, webcam. Webcam means I can be available in the screen directly, my face. Right now, my camera is not working. You know why? Because I'm connected to Zoom. Right now, I cancel it. 1 minute, I just cancel it. I just cancel it. 1 minute. I just cancel it, dear professors. Cancel my. See now here, look at here. I'm available here in the camera. Do you see myself? Look at there when I click here, web camera. See here, I'm available here. Do you see me? Okay, my camera. And so second option is to have only record of webcam. Record of only your webcam. And the third option, it records both the screen as well as your camera. Am I clear to you? Both the screen as well as the camera in one place. So your PowerPoint along with your face will be recorded. Am I clear? Have I made it clear? I will also repeat the same step in another version. Okay, don't worry. Right. Now look at here. With the narration, see, you have to check my mic. See my mic. Check. See the green dot that appears. You will have to check whether it is appearing. And with computer audio, the next setting, computer audio, when you click type, the sound will come. When you click type, the sound will come. That is not possible to record in free version. Okay. So I'm going to launch it. Professors, I'm going to launch recording. Before I launch recording, what do you want to record? I want to record the PowerPoint. Means you keep the PowerPoint in full screen. You keep the PowerPoint in full screen. So do you keep the PowerPoint in full screen? I've kept my PowerPoint in full screen. Look at here. I'm going to start the recording. Okay, I'm going to start the recording. Look at here, process. I just click recording. I just click recording. I've just clicked recording, professor. 1 minute. I've clicked recording. See here. I'm ready. I'm going to go. A very good morning to you all. Vallua College proudly presents you a session on e-content development. I will give you the nuances of e-content. Today's presentation would be on PPT video making, screen capturing video making, and open shot video making. Let your e-content be prepared, precise, and presentable. So I have completed my narration recording. So I have done my recording. So immediately after that, what should you do? You have to press, see here, you have to press stop here at the bottom. Look at there. The knob is here, no? See, the knob is here. I have to press stop. So I have stopped it. I have stopped it. So what do I do now? I have stopped it. Now look at there at the bottom. You have to press done. Look at your process. You have to press done. You click done. Please follow it. I repeat the steps slowly. You click done and press save and upload. Click save and upload. Click save and upload. Click save and upload. Okay. Click save and upload. Okay. Right now, see, there are so many options here. Press save as video. See, save as screen, YouTube, Google Drive, everything is available. Press save video file. Click save video file. I clicked it. And when I click it here, look at here, type is available. Do you see that? See here, process. I just maximize it. Look at here, see here. I just have the type. Click over here. There are different types available. AVI, FLV, and MP4. By see, I would like to recommend you for MP4 file. Just select MP4. Fine, click here, and I would like to go for file name. See, the file name is, see, for example, screen video. And see, where do you want to keep the file video? Just check the folder, click the folder. In desktop, I would like to keep it in Vallur College folder. See here, I just click it in the desktop, browse, and you can choose the folder. See, I would like to have it in the folder Vallur College. So I have selected the folder. So the folder is selected. And whenever I move the mouse, the cursor is highlighted, the yellow color dot will come. So that can be selected. And afterwards, give publish. Once you give publish, automatically your video starts rendering. This process is called, this conversion process is called rendering technically. Rendering. Okay. Once it is rendered, you'll be able to see the video. I will repeat the same step with another demonstration. Okay. With an online based demonstration. Okay. Right. With an online based demonstration, I would like to give you. Right. I've done it. See, it is done. Okay. Now I'd like to show the video for you. Now look at here. In Vallur College, yeah, the folder is here. Now I would like to see where is the video. Yeah, video with, yeah, screen video. See, yeah, I've got this. I just opened this video. Is it audible, madam? See, look at here.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
A very good morning to you. Vallur College proudly presents you a session on e-content. See, you see here, the video has my face on the top. Okay. Today's presentation would be on PPT video making, screen capturing video making, and OpenShot video making. Professors, okay. So this screen capture content be you can prepare, precise, and presentable. So I have completed my narration recording. So I have done my edit process. So immediately after that, mouse highlighted. Look at here. I just press. See here, mouse highlight is. See the yellow color appears. See here. See here. You have to press. See here. You have to press stop here at the bottom. Look at there. The knob is here. No. Look at there. See the knob is here. I have to press. Look at there. The mouse. When you move the mouse, you get the highlight. Proudly. Thank you, Dr. Joseph Sevier. Yeah. A session on now. Look at here. The mouse development. This is a video, so I'm just stopping it here. I will give you the nuances of e-content. Today's presentation would be now the simple disadvantages is that you get the simple watermark at the bottom, but he should be given a full day session. Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you, doctor. Thank you for the recommendation. Now I would like to go for one more demo on the same tool. Professors, I would like to give you one more demo on the same tool. Now I go back again. See, look at here. I just go back. I tell you, go to Screencast-O-Matic, go to Google. Go to Google and type Screencast-O-Matic. Type Screencast-O-Matic. Screencast-O-Matic. Type Screencast-O-Matic. And the link I will give you. See, the first link that you get is this. First link that you get is this. I just click over here. And thank you, Doctor. Thank you, Dr. Meenakshi and all for the compliments. Thank you. Let's go on. See here, click over the link. And I just give you the link in the chat. So click. Those of you who have failed, please click it. Right now you have an option record for free. Click over here, and next time when you take it, you have launch free recorder. Click here, launch free recorder. Click here, click launch free recorder. Professors, this tool when you buy it, it is only 1,400 rupees for entire year, and there's no time limit when you go for paid version. Lot of options are available. I recommend you this tool. Very simple tool. Now look at your process. I would like to set everything is ready. Now I would like to have both my camera and myself, and now I would like to give you an exposure on how to download. Professors, please understand how to download copy left images, okay, or copy left music. Okay, two things I would like to give you. I'm going to record that. Right, go to Google. Keep Google ready. Keep Google ready for recording. So I've got it. Now what do I do? Look at here. I'm going to start the narration. See, I just stopped my video here in Zoom. Okay, video in Zoom I have stopped. Right now I'm going to record. See, professors, before you record, you keep your screen ready. And set the parameter into full screen. And I am going to start recording. See here, if you want to choose only the screen, just click the screen alone. See, my face will not be visible. If you want to have only webcam, only my webcam will be recorded. If you want to have both the screen and video, see, my screen and the video will be recorded. I can keep my video anywhere. See, I can keep my video here or here in the corner or in this corner. So I can keep it here in the corner or in this corner. Right now I'm keeping here in this corner. Okay, in this corner. Right. Now see here, the size can be chosen. And right now I just click record. I have clicked record. So I'm ready. Greetings from Vimal Jaral. I am giving you the demonstration on how to download, copy right, copy left images. I just click over Google. I would like to download a picture, maybe a picture of rose. I just click over rose. I just click rose and click images. So a lot of images being loaded here. Lot of images being loaded here. I would like to have copy left images. So when you have images selection, see there is a tool here. I just click over here. Tool is here. When you click tool, you get various parameters are given here. I would like to give you the demonstration on the tool. Just click over tool. When you click over tool, there will be option here at the bottom. Look at here, size. See, the size could be maximum, minimum, small, anything can be chosen. And the color, for example, I would like to have green rose. When I click green, see the color green rose alone appears. See, I just get only green roses alone appear. Okay, only the green color rose alone appear. And the type of rose, see here the image type, whether you want to have a GIF image or line drawing or something. And the time, when you click over time, whether the uploading time, for example, within 24 hours or last year or month can be chosen time. And here, this is what the very important thing is, that usage right. Click over here. When you click here, usage rights, you will have an option for copyright license. Click Creative Commons license. Click Creative Commons license. I just click over Creative Commons license. And so when I click Creative Commons license, all the browsers that appear are copy left images. So I can choose any of these copy left images and I can use it in my presentation. So this is a simple video to create a video on using screen capturing tool. I have given you a demo. I'm just stopping it here. I'm just stopping it here. Once you want to stop, so I just click pass symbol at the bottom. So I've clicked it, I've completed. So I'm not reading the chat, for example. Share the screen. Yeah. Now look at your process. I've stopped it. Once after stopping it, look at your process. Once after stopping it, I'm just opening the video here. See, I have stopped it. Now, once after stopping here, you have to press done. You have to press done. Click done, and you have two options. Edit, you cannot do it with free version. Click save and upload. Please click save and upload. When I click save and upload, you get this option. You get this option. Do you get it? Dear professors, do you get it? Save and upload, you get this option. 4 options are there, out of which you select the first one. Select the first one. I just click save as video file. Click over here, and as I told you, you have to follow the 4 things. First one is to just select the type of video. What type of video? MP4. And name it. For example, screen model 2. Screen model 2. I just name it as screen model 2. And where do you want to store it? The folder. Just click over here and select the folder. And after giving all these parameters, give publish. So see, look at here. This process is called, rendering, conversion of videos. Okay, conversion of videos. So professors, as Dr. Jayashree is telling, you should be prepared. You should be prepared for, video editing. Okay, right now I've given you a demo. Okay, I've given you demos, but when you are ready, you must be prepared. Okay, you must be prepared for giving demonstrations. So this video capturing, the screen capturing method will go well with demonstration. If you are teaching technology, if you are giving some demonstration over internet, you can very well go for it. Right. Process is being converted. Once it is converted, I shall just show you. The next tool that we are going to expose, I have only 10 minutes and I'm told to complete at 1 o'clock exactly. So I will stop at 1 o'clock. Next tool that we are going to explore is FreeCam. It is completely free. It is completely free. Okay, it is completely free. Right. Now it is done. Almost, look at here. Thank you for the compliments, dear professors. It is done. Look at here. It is done. It is done. 100% it is over. Now I stop and I can play the video here itself. See, I play the video here itself. Now look at here. Look at. Greetings from Vimal Jaral. Do you get the sound, dear professors? Do you get it? How to download, copy left images. I just click over Google. I would like to download a picture, maybe a picture of rose. I just click over rose. I just click rose. See, you look at my Look
So
at my
lot of
face
images
and
being
the
loaded
demonstration. When I
Lot
move
of
my mouse,
images
see the
being loaded
cursor
here.
is highlighted.
I would like to
Cursor
have
is highlighted.
copy
Left
left
the video
images.
actually.
So when you have images selection, see there is a tool here. I just click over here. Tool is here. When you click tool, you get option.
Okay,
various
process. Look at here.
options. When I can the time for common
Process.
license,
I just move
I
it.
just click over Creative Common license, and so when I click Creative Common license, all
I just stop the
process that
video
appear
process for due to want of time. I'm stopping it here. I would like to pass it.
or copy left
See, I would like to
images.
stop it.
So I can choose any of these copy left
I have
images.
stopped it process. Okay, process. Okay, now we are moving on for the next one called Screencast-O-Matic. Shall I move on? Shall I move on? How many of you have got the nuances of recording it in Screencast-O-Matic? At least if you are not able to do it now, just get exposed to this. I hope all of you have got an exposure of this. Shall I move on? Right. Yes, I have got only hardly 10 minutes. Yes. I just click over here. Just type free cam. Just type free cam. Free cam. It's completely free version. Just completely free. Process. I just click over free cam. Completely free. The first, when you type free cam in the Google, that you will get the first link is free cam. Just click over here and see, you get this. I've given you this. I have given the link in the chat. Please copy the link. I have given the link in the chat. Please copy the link. Dear process, I have given the link in the chat. Copy it. Now, once after you get the screen, how many of you get this screen? Click over here and see how many of you get this screen. Professors, click over here. How many of you get this screen? Just click here. Thank you, Professor Vijayaraghavan. You are very much, enthusiastic. Really very good. I appreciate you. Good. Good, dear professors, all of you. Really good. Now, type your email ID. Type your email ID here. Type your email ID here. Okay, you type your email ID here and download. Download process will automatically begin. It is only 50 MB. Professors, it's a light tool, only 50 MB. And it is not internet based. You need not have internet connection. You can very well, without internet connection, you can record your PowerPoint any number of, any hours, any length, longer that you want. Okay. And you can also record, you can demonstration, you can record. And another beautiful thing is that if you are connected to an online session, for example, like this, if many of you are asking for video, why don't you record on yourself? You can do it with free cam. Only thing is that you put up the mic and all the sound you get it from the computer through this video call, everything will be recorded. You can make use of the video. Okay. Many of you are asking for the videos, no? You can yourself record. Right. Right now I have this tool downloaded. Once after downloading this tool, install the tool. Simple. After downloading, double click it, it will be installed. Okay. Right now I have this tool. I'm just opening the tool. I just opened the tool. The tool is coming. Yeah, coming up. Yeah, this is the tool. Do you see this tool? This is the tool. The tool has come. So free cam, it is free cam and it is here. Once after installation, it will be there available in the desktop, or go to start, you will find it. See here, when you go to start, type here, free cam. When you type, it will come. See here, this is the tool. I just open it and it is available. Once after I open it, I press record. I press new record, click new record, click new record. When I click new record, immediately see here, this is also small knob that comes. Look at here. See, I can adjust the screen. I can adjust the screen wherever that I want. Okay. The setting is here. Look at here. Settings. Click here. Click the settings. And you can have all these settings here. Okay. Right now, let me give you settings here itself. See, I can adjust the screen by making it adjusted. See here. If you are conducting your Viva, if you are conducting any online examination or online maybe PhD Viva or Synopsis, you can use this tool for recording continuously. See here. I just click over, adjust the screen. I adjust the screen. See, this is the recording area. Adjust the screen manually and look at the bottom. If I'm recording my voice narration, you can switch on this mic. Otherwise, turn off this mic. Only whatever comes into the computer will be recorded. Am I clear? Right. Right now, I would like to give you a demonstration on recording. So I just keep it open. Okay, I'm ready for recording. Professors, I would like to now give you the demonstration on how to download a free music. I'm going to record it for you. Okay, record it using this tool. Okay, right. I just keep it Google ready. Keep Google ready. Right. I'm going to start recording. So for start recording, you have to click that red color button. Okay, small red color button. So when I click it, it will be upload. It will launch. The record will launch. Am I clear? So I just click over. I just click over the record link. One disadvantage is that, professors, please understand. One disadvantage is that you cannot expose your face. Okay, but you can go as long as you want to record. Okay, there is a simple editor is also there. Very, very interesting. I'll tell you. Right now, I'm going to start my recording. See this camera that is visible. No, that is going to visible from Zoom, not from FreeCam. Right. I just click over here. Recording begins. See here, the countdown starts when I click that record. Good morning, dear all. I'm giving you the demonstration on downloading copyright to be used for e-content preparation. There is a website, Bensound. Type Bensound. Bensound in Google. Type Bensound in Google. Type Bensound in Google. Please type Bensound in Google. When I click Bensound, the first link that I get is www.bensound.com. I just click over here, the link. You get number of music with different categories. You got acoustic, cinematic, corporate, electronica, so many. For example, I just randomly click cinematic. And you can check the music. You can check the music here by playing it here. See, you can check it by playing it here. If you like it, you can click download. Stop and click download. See, there are two options. One is to download the free version, another is paid version. Just click download. See, this download the music can be used for, see, it is given all e-content for YouTube videos or other versions for education. You can make use of it. Just click over here. Just click this music. So it is downloaded. It is downloaded and you can make use of it in the PowerPoint. So that's all. This is the procedure to download Bensound music, royalty-free music from Bensound. So thank you very much. So I finished recording. So what should I do? Press escape. Press escape. See, I pressed escape after demonstration. After recording the screen, I pressed escape. See here, I've got the screen. See, this screen comes. Okay, professors, I get this screen. I get this screen comes. See, unknowingly, the chat also is recorded because I opened the chat. I'm reading the chat. No, that is also recorded. You must be cautious of all these. Okay, and look at the bottom. Look at the bottom. You got the element. You can play the video before you go convert the final video. You can make use of it. Process, kindly wait. You can make use of it for editing. Just click edit. Just click edit. So it is 12:58. Sir, can I take 5 minutes, sir? I'm very sorry for taking extra time. Can I take 5 minutes, sir? Sir, principal, sir, can I take 5 minutes? Sir, can I take 5 minutes?
Sir,
Organizers,
no
can I take 5 minutes?
Sir. No problem, sir. You can take, sir. No problem, sir.
Click edit. Click edit. The video is ready. Click edit. I click edit. See here, there are simple editions. For example, look at, I'm going to tell you the simple editing. Simple editing. For example, see here at the beginning, I wanted to select particular portion. See here, I have selected particular portion. When I select this portion, the selected area is yellow color. The selected area comes in yellow color. The selected area comes in yellow color. Okay. I can do all these actions. See, I can delete this part. See, I can delete this part, which means that part will be removed from the video. Okay. For example, unknowingly, if some interruption comes, I can delete that. So I just press Ctrl Z. See, I can silent that. I want the video, but voice should not be there. For example, while I was recording, giving a demonstration, somebody interrupted from house. So what do I do? That video should be there. That voice should not be recorded. So what should I do? See, I select this portion and silence it. See, you can silence it. You can silence it, right? You can silence it. That's all. Very simple. Yes. And you can trim it. For example, I want to select a particular portion and that is alone the video. See, for example, I just select till here and I wanted to have only that as video. Click trim. Only that portion alone will be selected as video. See here. Only that portion alone is selected as video. Very simple. See, you need not be expert in video editing. Very, very simple tool. Very simple. All of you will be able to make it. Right now I press Ctrl Z so that all the video is available. And now, professors, wonderful thing is that you can remove the noise. For example, his sound. Select Ctrl A. See, I'm selecting everything. All the video is selected. Ctrl A. Press Ctrl A and use remove noise. Look at here. Remove noise. I select remove noise. See, the noise is being removed. Noise means the hiss sound and the other sound. See, it is removed. Right now, I play this video. Get the sound. Do you get the sound, madam? Do you get the sound? When I click Benzound, the first link that I get is www.benzound.com. Do you get the mouse click? Everything comes. Mouse click, everything comes. Do you get it? The link. Do you get the sound? Can I have your response? Do you get the number of music
Yes,
with
sir.
different
Yes, sir.
categories?
Yes, sir.
You got acoustic, cinematic, corporate. I just stop it here. See, I would like to increase the sound. Now sound is very, very low. So what can I do? I can increase. During recording, my sound is very less. So I select Control A. See, all are selected and go to adjust volume. Go to adjust volume and you can increase. See, I play the sound now. See, do you see the difference? Good morning, dear. Do you see the difference? I'm giving you the demonstration. Do you see the difference in sound?
Yes, sir.
Downloading,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
copyright, copy left, more enhanced music. So I press OK. Now it is being enhanced. Now there is a after editing. That's all. All the editing is over. Press save and close. Press save and close. I have pressed save and closed. And immediately after this step, you have to go for rendering. So press save as video process. Press save as videos. Press save as video. Click over here. Simple step. Press save as video. I would like to save this in Vallur College folder. I just click over here and click as screen. Free cam video. Free cam video. So I have done and press save. Once you press save, this process is called exporting or rendering. See, it is being rendered. Once after some time, this video will be available. I will just share it with you. It is very simple. Once again, I shall tell you, there is no, see, it is a freeware, free tool. You can use it for any longer. And the computer sound is also recorded. The screen can be recorded. The PowerPoint can be recorded. Demonstration can be given. For anything, you can use it for Viva, online Viva, recording. If you're not speaking, but the sound comes from computer, will be recorded. So after some time, I'll just share the video. See, best part of this tool is you can have simple editing, very, very simple editing. That's what we need. We are not professional editors. So simple here and there, some corrections, we can very well make it. So it will be a beautiful one for you. So with the PowerPoint and simple tools, you'll be able to make wonderful presentations. My dear professors, I request you all, I stop with the concluding remark. I request you all to have practice. See, sometimes you might have found difficult. See, at the beginning, when I just exposed you, when I shared a few instructions, you might have not followed. I'm very sorry. I might have gone fast because of the time. Please take the recorded session. You please practice slowly. When you practice slowly, as somebody said in the chat, no, you should have a clear-cut presentation and you go for your videos, your recording, your narration, add music, and convert your PowerPoint into video, a beautiful e-content you'll be able to make. And your institution may need it, may need it to upload it in the websites for NAAC assessment. It will have a high regard in the NAAC assessment. Okay, so make beautiful videos with these simple tools. See, any skill. See, if I want to make biryani, I have the knowledge of making biryani. I need to be skillful making biryani. Only when I practice continuously, I'll be a better cook. The similar way, any tool, any skill that can be obtained only by practice, digital skills are not exceptional. So please have practice again and again. You will definitely be perfect. And I wish you all happy making e-content. There are so many tools are available. One such tool is OpenShot. I don't have time, so I stop here. If you would like to have further session, we shall have it. If you want to have an exposure of workshop, if you would like to organize, you can contact me later. Now, finally, I would like to play the video that we have done recently with FreeCam. You look at your process. I'm playing the video. This is done with the FreeCam. Greetings from, I'm sorry, Maljarol. I'm giving not done with FreeCam 1 minute on. Where is the FreeCam video? I'm just looking. See, I'm just opening. See, look at here. Good morning, dear all. See the video? I'm giving you the demonstration on downloading, copyright, copyleft. See the mouse pointer is also given. Okay. There is a website, Benzound. Type Benzound. Benzound in Google. See the sound? See the quality of the sound very clear, no? Quality of the sound is very clear. Benzound in Google. Simple video. Okay. Please type Benzound in Google. Unfortunately, I got a call. That's why there was an interruption during. When I click Benzound, the first link that I get is www.benzound.com. So due to want of
I
time,
just
I'm
click
stopping
over
it
here.
here, professors. I'm stopping
The
it
link.
here. I'm stopping.
You get
the video.
number of music with different categories.
Stopping the
You've got
video,
acoustic,
professors.
cinematic, corporate.
I've stopped it. Now, dear professors, once again, students, I just stop my learners, and learners are very much, very much exposed to all these tools. Research says you are all teachers. More than chalk and talk method, this video method will enable the learners to quickly grasp things what we teach. So I request you all to impress your students, impress the learners with your simple presentations. See, 1 or 2 slides, have some 1 or 2 slides and make a video and send it in WhatsApp every day. Maybe if you are teaching computer networks, just types of computer network. What is computer network? Just 2-3 slides. Just send it slowly, one by one, in WhatsApp. It will take about 10 MB or 20 MB, and it could be shared in the WhatsApp. And students will be seeing it just for 1 minute. No, they will be able to see it, and they will get their knowledge. If it is for 1 hour, 30 minutes, it will be very difficult for the students to follow. And if you are teaching a sum in mathematics, you can very well go teach sum, write it in PowerPoint itself, in record it and send it. One sum, that's enough. So you need not go for longer videos. Okay. So any doubt if you have, you're welcome to clarify with me. My number is given in the tutorials. I have given the tutorials for all these tools: PowerPoint based video making, FreeCam, Screencast-O-Matic.
Link
Okay,
feed பண்ணுங்க ma'am.
I have given. Now you can avail it from the organizers, from the principal sir. So all the very best. Wishing you all happy learning, happy making e-content. Thank you very much. Over to the organizers. Thank you. Thanks for the compliments. If
Thank
you have
you,
any
Emil.
clarification, you are welcome.
Thank you, Emil.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Professor.
Thank you for your synergetic session, sir.
Madam, I would like to have few minutes, ma'am. Hello?
Ma'am,
Ma'am?
would you like to ask questions? Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, please
Sir, it
hold
was a
on.
wonderful session, sir. Actually, it was like a Vittalacharya movie. We were put on our toes like to learn on various tools of multimedia. Thank you so much for the wonderful session, sir. Thank you so much.
Yes, I am telephoning from another college. Excellent session. Waiting for long back in my life. Sir, God bless you. Today I enjoyed well. I attended lots of seminars, conference, etc. I have lots of PowerPoint presentations for my subject and other than my subject, but I expect that the external help to me for this presentation. Today I enjoyed well. I have one doubt, please, gentlemen, for that, please. In your PowerPoint presentation, you quoted many bulletin points. For the bulletin point, you have pointed at many images. How to develop that images? For that, any other tools or the software is available, or in 2019 software is available? Please help me for that, please.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Thank you, sir. Sorry, I got interrupted, sir. Vincent, sir, I'm sorry. I have come back. If any queries are there, you're welcome. Yeah. If any queries are there, you're welcome, dear professors. Thank you for the compliments. Thank you. If any queries are there, you're welcome.
Yes, Gerard, sir, I have one doubt. In your PowerPoint presentation, you made it.
Sir, you will have a question answer session, sir. During that time, you can ask questions, sir. Yes. Sir, we would like to read some of the comments given by the professors. And thank you from Dr. Shanmugha Priya, great learning FTP sessions. And Ponraj, thank you very much. Wonderful session and excellent presentation. And from M. Nageshwari, it's useful to us. Thank you, organizers. And Madhulika Mittal, really, sir, you did a lot of exercises for us. Thank you, sir. And finally, Akalya, wonderful session and a very useful session. Yes, dear professors, you will have a question answer sessions. Kindly you can ask. Sir, the program moves to Dinesh. So Dinesh sir.
Professor, one who asked recently, no, the previous one. Professor, one who asked, no. Professor,
Yes,
one who
yes.
asked previously.
Yes, yes.
Yes, yes.
Sir, you can continue. The one who asked the question regarding the inserting the images like that. Sir, you can continue, sir.
Yes, 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 sir. Please see how to come to your PowerPoint presentation. Please.
I'm sorry, sir, you can go.
Sir,
Go ahead, sir.
Sir, Vimal Chedon, sir, you
Yes,
have
sir.
to
Yeah.
present your PowerPoint presentation. Anyone, please?
Sir,
Yes.
could you please come back, sir?
Yes, you have
Sir,
to.
could you-
We want to see your PowerPoint presentation. Any slide, please. How to develop that slide?
Yeah, I will just share it.
Yes, please.
Look at here, sir. Look at here, sir. Look at here.
Yes,
See
yes,
here, sir. See, it is all, it is all
Yes.
simple. For example, go to insert, sir. Go to insert, for example.
Yes.
Sir, I just,
Yes.
I'm with a new slide. Okay, look at here. Look at, go to insert, sir.
Okay.
Go to insert, go to insert. There is an option called Smart Art. There is an option called Smart Art. Click over here. There are beautiful options available, sir. Look at here. See, we are teachers teaching technology, management, arts and science. See, for example, if you want to teach a process, see, if you want to give a list, see, I just give here, list here. I just click over here. See, here's a list is here. You can type, for example, all the tools that I've given. See, I just type, for example, free cam, Screencast-O-Matic, Screencast-O-Matic. Okay. And thirdly, for example, PPT presentation. Okay, I have typed. Now look at here, sir, on the top. See here, when you click here, on the top, design is here, design. Click over the color. See, the color can be different colors. And the presentation, see, enhancement, look and feel. And now go to animation, look at your process. One by one, we can animate. Animation. And I would like to have add animation. And see here, bounce. I want to have one by one. See here, one by one. Now I can control this animation to come one by one, slowly. So when I click animation, there is an animation pan is available. Sorry, Professor, I will not give you full exposure.
Okay. Sorry. It's enough.
Effect option is here. See, I can make it one by one. See, one by one. Letter one by one. See here. Right now, when I press here, free cam. See, I can one. Okay, Professor. See, I just.
Sir, your version 2019.
Yeah, this is 2019, sir. Yeah. But what I shared, no, free cam is available in all the versions, sir. Look at here, sir. See, just now I have this, no. See here, second one, and the third one. See, like this, you can fix it, sir. There are a lot of. See, okay, sir. Like this, you can make, sir. You can make. Similar way I have made it. Sir. For example, see this shape can be brought it from here. Insert. Yes, madam. Yes, madam. Please. Yeah.
So good afternoon, sir. Actually, nice session. It is very useful for us.
Madam. Yes,
sir, this is Suganti.
Yes,
sir, is there any specific point when we are implementing this animated content to NAC?
Madam, see, there is no specific rule, madam. But if you are offering course on e-content using SWAYAM or NPTEL, they specify standards. It is 4-quadrant mechanism. They call it as 4-quadrant e-content. 4-quadrant e-content that includes, starting from planning till the evaluation. So only if you are presenting it for a course on, for example, if you would like to offer a course on modern literature, English. Okay. So if you would like to give up e-content, then you should follow the standards. But for uploading it into our website in the college, there is no standard specified by the UGC, madam. Only thing is that it should be, whatever information that you provide should be checked, verified. Verification checks should be there. For example, the content that you provide should be foolproof. And second one is it should be, audible. And it should be presentable, and the quality parameters with regard to color and look and feel should be enhanced. That's all. There is no standard specified by UGC, by NAC. Okay, madam. So they will ask for number of e-content alone is expected. See, I request. See, many of the colleges, even bigger institutions, they go for very less content with less time. So I recommend you to go for 5 minutes or 10 minutes content. or even lesser than that. Just introduction of the topic. Okay. Yeah, that would be better. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, madam.
Sir, I want to know, you have a background, no? When you talk, you have a background with your college.
Yes.
I
Yes,
want to know, how did you do that?
Very simple, madam. See, as I'm also one of the trainer of graphics design in Photoshop. It is done in Photoshop. It is done in Photoshop. Even with PowerPoint, you can do that, madam. This can be done with the help of PowerPoint. I shall just show you now. Listen, just 2 minutes. Just take 2 minutes. I'm sorry if I take your time. See here, madam. I just take an empty slide. Take an empty slide, madam. Take an empty slide. Okay, madam. I've got this empty slide. Now click something. For example, Alluvar College or any text here. For example, FTP on e-content. I don't have time right now, so I just make it FTP on e-content. I just make it bigger. Okay, madam, by Alluvar College. So I have the Alluvar College symbol here in my local system. So I press insert picture from computer. I'm just taking the picture from computer. Any of the picture. For example, I would like to take up this picture. See, I'm just taking up the picture of Alluvar College. I'm inserting. I'm just taking it slowly. So I just keep it here in one corner. Okay, madam. And I would like to have my the topic of e-content maybe can be kept here. And this can be made as a JPG image. How do you convert this PPT into JPG image? Please look at here, madam. I just go to file, save as. Please press save as, and taking it into save as. Click here, madam. Click the type and making it as JPEG. Click as JPEG. So I just make it as background. Click it and it will ask you whether you want to have the entire slide or this only one slide. I just want to have this only one slide. So I just pressed only one slide. Okay, madam, I've done it. Now, what do? Go back to your, zoom control. Do you see your zoom control, madam? See, go back to your zoom control. Madam, do you see? So go back to your zoom control. 1 minute, madam. Just share it again. Go back to your zoom control. At the bottom, you've got stop video, no? Do you see videos there at the bottom? Video icon, start video or something, stop video, something like that. There will be an option, there will be an arrow. Click over there. Do you see that, madam? Are you there online, madam? You ask for clarification. Click over there in zoom control. If you are connected in desktop, choose the virtual background. I choose the virtual background and there will be a plus symbol, madam. Plus symbol and click over add image. See, I just press this picture. See, now look at here, the picture that I made. Okay, madam. See, has been made as a background. Okay, madam. The picture that I made with the PowerPoint, that has been made as my background. Okay, madam. You can set it when you go for your lectures to your college students. Okay, madam.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Yes, good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, madam.
Sir, I just had a question. When you were teaching about converting the PowerPoint into video, I was doing it, adding my audio narration. So my own video, my face was appearing in the bottom corner of the slides. So what if I don't want that to appear? I just want my audio to appear in the background of the slide. So how can I remove that video setting?
You don't want your video.
No, like I don't want my face to appear in the bottom corner because it was also hiding some portion of the slide. And
that's what, madam. That's what I understand. I could get you. You don't want to expose your face. Only the presentation you want to expose. See here at the bottom. When you go for recording, there is a. See, I just go show your screen. Look at here, madam. I've taken a PowerPoint. Okay. I would like to go for recording. See, this is the screen that you get, no? See here, yes. I go for look at there at the bottom. There is an option to hide your video. Turn off your camera. Okay. The shortcut key is Control K. Turn off your camera. Control K. Okay, madam.
Okay, yeah. Sir. Okay. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. Any other clarification, dear professors? The files are also being uploaded. You can make use of it. The tutorials. Any other clarification, dear professors? You're welcome.
Can you give the mail ID or contact number?
Yeah, I shall give you, Professor. It is 96. Yeah, I shall give you in the chat. 9698 111 008. So I have given it. Yeah, Google Meet is also is possible, madam. Madam, I think Dr. Kogila, in Google Meet also it is feasible, madam. Definitely it is feasible. So I have given my number and mail ID. Thank you.
Sir.
Yes, madam.
Sir, you told that in cam our face is not accessible.
Yes, madam. In free cam, only you can record the screen, but not your face. Your face cannot be, camera cannot be recorded. Yeah.
So, is it possible to for the students to view our PPT?
Madam, I couldn't get you. Students view your PPT. Yeah, you use the free cam, madam. Use the free cam. Open your PowerPoint. Look at here, madam. You open your PowerPoint. See, madam, just I show you the model. Look at here. You open your PowerPoint, madam. Open it, keep it in full screen. Okay, madam. Okay. Opening your PowerPoint, keeping it in the full screen, madam. For example, I just keep it in full screen and go to free cam. Go to free cam. See, I have opened it in full screen. Go to free cam. Just type Windows, free cam, type free cam and enable that. See, free cam is running already, sir. Okay, I just give it to you. 1 minute. See here, free cam is here. Go for new recording. I can go for new recording. Look at here, my PowerPoint is being recorded. So I can press the red color button. I can go on, start recording, and your PowerPoint will be made as a video, madam. Okay, madam.
Okay.
Have I answered you, madam?
Yes, sir.
Madam, have I answered?
Sir, thank you so much. Mind-blowing presentation, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, madam. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you, Professor. Thank you. All your compliments really boost me up. Thank you very much.
So shall we go for next session, sir?
Yeah, please, madam. Please, madam.
Yes.
So, Professor, before you conclude, I would like to just thank the organizers, the management of Vallura College for having thought of organizing this program. You know, organizing such a program for 6 days, it is very difficult during the pandemic. I really appreciate the management, whomsoever it may be, under the headship of your principal, Dr. Vincent sir, and the host department, Dr. Ramya, and the team, Professor Dinesh, and the people who take care of the technical, and the professor who did MC. Thank you very much, all dear participants, and thanks the organizing team. Congratulations. Over to you.
Thank you so much, sir. We are also grateful to the
Thank you so much,
management,
sir. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Lakshmi Priya ma'am, we go for a vote of thanks.
Yes. The beautiful thinking about learning is that nobody can take it away from you. I welcome Mr. A. Parandaman, Assistant Professor, to deliver his vote of thanks.
Thank you, ma'am. Good afternoon, everyone. I am Parandaman, Assistant Professor from the Department of English, here to present the vote of thanks for today's lecture. I would like to thank our chief guest, Dr. Vimal Gerald, for enlightening us with lots of knowledge. Today's session was really wonderful and excellent, sir. His electrifying words make us to do wonders in our teaching in future. Your presentation takes us to a different computer world and vanished all our doubts. Finally, we learned many updates from your presentation, sir. You have done this workshop as a realistic one. Thank you, sir. Next, I would like to thank our chairman, Mr. Senguttuvan, and governing council member, Ms. Ragavi Senguttuvan, who is the brain of this program. He works 24/7 for providing quality education for the students. We can proudly say she is the backbone of our college in all the aspects. My heartfelt gratitude to you, ma'am. Next, I would like to express my profound gratitude to our principal, Dr. Vincent, one of the main pillars of our college, who guides us in all the times. And I thank you for your presence in this program, sir. Next, I would like to thank who made this colorful invitation an excellent graphical notification, and he is one of the main success of this program, Mr. Prince Anthony, head of the department, hotel management. Thank you, sir. Next, I would like to thank our beloved HOD, Ms. A. Ramya, who took lots of efforts to make this program a grand success one. And also I thank all the head of the departments who spent their valuable time in this session. Thank you, sir. Next, I would like to thank Mr. C. Dinesh Kumar, Assistant Professor, Department of English, and Mr. R. Aravind, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, for providing technical support for this session. Thank you, sir. At last, I am happy to express vote of thanks to all our staff members and also the professor from various colleges and universities. So I thank you all and have a great day.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, madam. Thank you, Vincent sir. Thank you very
Thank
much.
you so much, sir.
Thank you. Please give
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Gerald, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, Ramya madam.
Thank you, sir.
Please
Thank
give my
you so
gratitude.
much,
Thank
sir.
you, Professor Priya. Thank you, Professor. One who thanked Professor. I forgot his name.
Parandaman.
Thank you very much. Thank you. And the invitation that you have prepared, brochure is excellent. Please give my regards to that sir, HOD of
Prince Anthony, sir. Prince Anthony,
wonderful.
Hotel management.
Excellent design.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Thank you, Professor. Shall I leave?
Yes,
Thank you.
sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank
Yeah,
you
ma'am.
so
Thank
much,
you.
sir. Thank you.
Sir,
Thank you,
irukangla
sir.
principal
Thank you,
irukara?
Principal sir இருக்காருங்க.
Sir, thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Vincent, sir, thank you very much. Thank you.
Sir is not available. Sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Thank you,
Thank you,
madam.
sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Ma'am, shall we wind up them?
Sir, இந்த feedback link கொஞ்சம் fill பண்ணட்டும் sir.
ஒரு 1:35 வரைக்கும் வெயிட் பண்ணலாம்.
ஓகேங்க சார். ஓகேங்க சார்.
Thank you.
Madam, today I have given the feedback, but yesterday, day before, it was not opening.
Sir, have you tried or you have not tried?
I have tried.
Tried it. Sir?
Yes. Yeah.
Sir, I couldn't get your word.
I have tried, but that feedback form was not opening. And today it has opened and I have given the feedback.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Sir, I will ask admin and I send you the feedback link again, sir. In the WhatsApp.
Sir, excuse me, sir. Sir, if you fill the feedback form within 15 minutes of the session, it will be open. So once after 15-20 minutes of the program, we will close the feedback form, sir. That is a procedure which we are following from day one. So have you filled on the day one, sir? On day one?
No, madam, I didn't know that.
Okay, sir, no problem. You can fill it for today, and today will be counted, sir. Tomorrow also you can fill the feedback form.
Today I have filled up.
We will take it into account, sir.
Okay. And I'm attending all the days. Thank you.
Okay, sir.